Mastering the negative passive voice with must. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting video where we'll be expanding your English grammar skills. Today, we are going to dive into an interesting topic, using must in negative sentences in the passive voice. This is a critical component when we want to express strong necessity or obligation in English, but with the focus not on the doer but on the action itself. Before we jump into the passive voice with must, let's do a quick refresher on what must signifies. Must is a modal verb that is used in English to express obligation, necessity, or a high degree of certainty. For instance, when we say, "You must finish your homework," it means that it is necessary for you to finish your homework. The passive voice in English is used when the focus is on the action and not on who or what is performing the action. For example, instead of saying, "John painted the house," active voice, we could say, "The house was painted," passive voice. Notice that in the passive sentence, the action, the painting of the house, is highlighted more than the person who did the action, John. Now, let's combine the concept of must with the passive voice. When we do this, the structure is subject plus must plus be plus past participle. For instance, the rules must be followed. Here, the focus is on the action, the following of the rules, and it is expressed as an obligation or necessity. Now comes the main part, forming negative sentences with must in the passive voice. The structure is subject plus must plus not plus be plus past participle. For example, the rules must not be broken. This means that it is necessary that the rules are not broken. Let's try some practice exercises. Try to convert these active sentences into negative passive voice sentences with must. 1. You must not disclose the secret. Hint. What is the action here and who is it being performed on? 2. We must not leave the doors unlocked. 3. They must not misuse the funds. Remember, the focus is on the action, not the person performing it. Share your answers in the comments section. There you have it, folks. Now you know how to use must in negative sentences in the passive voice. This is a valuable tool in your English language toolbox, helping you to express obligations and necessities in a different way. We hope this video has been helpful and you've enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed making it. Keep practicing and you'll master the use of must in negative passive voice in no time. Until next time, keep learning and growing.